This assessment asks us to match the 4 reaction coordinate diagrams to one of 4 acid-base reactions. If we look at the characteristic of the reaction coordinate diagrams, the first thing we notice is that the one here is extremely downhill, right? Big, negative, delta G or delta H. This one here is only slightly downhill. This one here is going uphill by quite a bit, meaning that this acid-base reaction would be disfavored. And this one is going uphill only slightly. And so really what we're doing is we're going to match our favored acid-base reactions with the favored reaction coordinate diagrams and the disfavored acid-base reactions with the disfavored reaction coordinate diagrams. So let's do that. We notice that for acid-base reaction 1, KEQ is 10 to the 22. That's this one here, is KEQ is 10 to the 22. Of all of the acid-base reactions, that's the one that is the most favored. And so this reaction coordinate diagram here is going to be matched up with reaction 1. Looking at this to find the next favored reaction, reaction 3 has a KEQ of 10 to the 5th. So this one here is slightly favored. The reaction coordinate diagram that represents a slightly favored reaction would be this one here. So this one will match up to reaction 3. Reaction 2, down here on the left, has a KEQ of 10 to the negative 22nd. Sorry, 10 to the negative 23rd. That's a heavily disfavored reaction, implying that that acid-base reaction would be very much uphill. This reaction coordinate diagram here represents that. We'll match that with reaction 2. Leaving this one must be reaction 4. Let's make sure we know why. Looking at the reaction coordinate diagram, we see that it is slightly uphill, meaning that this acid-base reaction would be slightly disfavored. Our last one, reaction 4, has a KEQ of 10 to the negative 5th. And so it makes sense that a KEQ of 10 to the negative 5th would match up with this slightly disfavored reaction coordinate diagram.